Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tinu, and today we're going to be doing this nighttime skincare routine. This is one of the highly requested videos that you guys have requested from me, and I just want to show you how I get my skin back to normal after a heavy makeup throughout the day. So first step, I'm actually going with the Walmart Equate wipes, and I'm taking the Garnier Fructis micellar water. I place that all over the wipes, and then I place the wipes all over my face and press it into my skin to kind of melt off the makeup, and then I go ahead and just clean the rest of my face with the same wipes. Normally I go with about 2 wipes to get the rest of everything off, because 1 wipes will not do the job, for me at least. Next, I'm going to cleanse my face. I'm using the Derma E Purifying Gel Cleanser with charcoal, and I'm placing that on my fingers, and I'm just rubbing that into the skin and making sure I get it through everywhere. And then what I normally do is I take a wet Clarisonic, my Mia 2, and I just go in and kind of make sure I scrub the heck out of my face. This usually takes a minute. It's just fast forward, but you guys get the drift with what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to take a towel and just pat my face dry. Then I'm going to be toning next, and I'm using the Ordinary Glycolic Toner. I'm just going to rub that into the skin, and this actually gets off any excess makeup that might be in the pores, and it also evens out the skin as well. And it's really cheap, so you guys should try it. It's really a good toner. Next, I'm going to apply an eye cream. I'm using the Derma E Firming Eye Cream, and we're placing that, patting that under the eyes and under the eyelids as well. And I love this eye cream. It's really fantastic. Now we're going to use my all over face moisturizer. I'm using the Derma E Night Cream, and I'm just placing that all over my face and rubbing that into the skin. This is one of my favorite night creams. It kind of hydrates my skin really well, and it has hyaluronic acid as well, which is great for moisturization. Next, I'm going to follow up with the Korres Sleeping Facial. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite products. It's a little on the pricey side, but trust me guys, this is the best thing ever. So I apply this at night, and then I wake up in the morning and wash the excess off. Before I go to sleep, the last thing I'm going to do is, if I have any pimples, I just spot treat it with this Sunday Riley Sulfur Max, and it really works excellent on that. And then we are finally complete with the nighttime skincare routine. If you guys enjoy these type of videos and want to see my morning skincare routine, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.